Nevada, Missouri, 10 p.m. Global alert, global alert. I say again, global alert, global alert. The following message will be given or revived later. Global alert, global alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the NASA agency. A civil emergency message will be given authorized for the entire United States of America at 5:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now it is 10 p.m. But however, at least 5 hours ago, there had been requested and many 911 reports that we saw an asteroid that was visible from the sky and that will be shortly hitting Earth. All residents in the United States of America need to remain calm. Also, some parts of Canada and Mexico will be receiving alerts that will be talking about this. Please stay calm. That NASA is working on the way to stop this asteroid. I say again, please stay calm. Please stay calm. An asteroid is coming towards Earth? That does not seem right. Well, let's just hope that things will be able to be fixed. Well, We'll stop the asteroid. The next day, the global alert will now continue, and many across the entire globe, there have been many reports of the asteroid that will shortly be hitting Earth. Will probably happen. So let's see what NASA's doing. And now, breaking news story that the EAS markers is now beating the tap. Good morning, all residents in Missouri. I'm back with another message, and the message is we have disturbing news regarding the asteroid. The asteroid has now a weight that can actually possibly end the Earth. The size of the weight of the asteroid is actually 1,000, and maybe over 1,000, at least 10,000 or 100,000, maybe even possibly a million. But it will shortly be discovered that the asteroid is actually going to hit Earth and going to end all life as we know it. So we're still working on our plan to destroy the asteroid. All residents in the state of Missouri should remain calm. So we're trying to find ways to destroy the asteroid. Hey, Lucas, it's time for your lunch. Oh, it's my lunch time. Sorry about the EAS being ruined. But look, I have to get going. My lunch is ready. I know this is at Jet Valley, I guess, but come on, Lucas, you're being late. Shut up, Mark. Anyways, I have to get out of here. But yeah, after the way will be. Come on, you get out of it. WTF? What happened on the television? Anyways, 5 minutes later, things start to happen. Global alert, global alert, global alert, global alert, global alert, global alert. guys, I'm Mark. I'm sorry about the last EAS. However, Lucas is not be able to be on all stations because sadly she's at home suffering the virus. So, guys, today is doomsday. Possibly even worst day ever. So the asteroid that was supposed to be hitting Earth has now besides which it is 1,500,000 over. And this is actually the possible size to turn Earth into a formed fireball that can possibly be another asteroid and all the other planets. And possibly 3 other planets. So we have nothing to say, and we just want to say goodbye. However, all the attempts isn't unsuccessful to live the last 5 days on Earth. But however, the Youngins, which is another company, will be shortly trying out another plan. Guys, we're sorry if we cannot have anything. And all NASA stations across America, including Mexico and Canada, and Alaska and Hawaii, were failed to do this attempt. So we only have the Youngins, and if the Youngins fail, the Earth is destroyed. Goodbye, and we'll surely deliver more messages about the update. See you guys. Oh God. Oh God, no. This is bad. This is just very bad. Well, let's just travel into another state and see what happens. Let's go to NOAA Weather Radio, shall we? Yeah, that should cheer me up. Let's go to Alaska. This is NOAA Weather Radio broadcasting severe weather. And now, time for a local forecast of exotic weather having taken place all across the state of Alaska, that all the mountains are melting. This is unexpected weather due to the asteroid that was affecting our... The following message is transmitted at the request of the Alaska Agency of Health. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Local exotic weather has been taking place all across, but the weather is trying to turn up to 887 degrees Fahrenheit up in the mountains. On shore, it is at least 182. All residents in the state of Alaska must shelter in place immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with you at all times. Stay tuned to the NOAA Weather Radio or other radio broadcasts for more information on this dangerous situation. And now, welcome news. This is just bad news. 3 days later, the world... Well, a few days later, after all the days, the war is now ended. This is a global broadcast. Please stand by. Please stand
by. The President is speaking shortly. Please stand by. I say again, please stand by.
My fellow Americans, our world is shortly ending. Because of all the things that are happening, it looks like that the world will end due to the asteroid that will surely be hitting Earth. All residents must gather your friends, family, relatives, and even loved ones and pray to our gods and goddesses. May God bless you and God bless America and the world. We will now play the national anthem for one last time. For this gift of God, and Jesus. May God help us all. May Jesus and God help us all.